Imagine waking up in the morning, swinging your legs out of bed, and immediately feeling a sharp, stiff ache in your knees. You walk to the kitchen, but your mind feels like it is wrapped in a thick, heavy cloud. You cannot remember where you put your keys. You feel exhausted even though you just slept for 8 hours, and your whole body feels heavy. For a long time, you might have told yourself that this is just what getting older feels like. You might think that your joints are just wearing out from years of use, and your memory is fading because of your age. But what if I told you that this is not normal aging? What if I told you that your joint pain and your brain fog share the exact same root cause? There is a silent, invisible fire burning inside your body right now, and it is slowly destroying your cartilage and melting away your brain cells. This hidden enemy is called chronic inflammation. Today, we are going to uncover exactly what this silent fire is, why it targets your brain and your joints, and most importantly, how you can turn off the alarm and take your life back. To understand why your brain and joints are under attack, you first need to understand what inflammation actually is. Let us imagine that you are slicing an apple in your kitchen and the knife slips. You accidentally cut your finger. Almost immediately, the area turns red, it gets warm to the touch, it swells up, and it hurts. That is acute inflammation, and it is actually a beautiful, life-saving miracle. Think of your immune system as a highly trained team of paramedics and firefighters. The moment you cut your finger, your body sounds a loud fire alarm. The firefighters rush to the scene. The redness and heat are caused by extra blood rushing to the cut, carrying millions of white blood cells. These cells act like little soldiers, fighting off any bacteria that might have entered the wound. The swelling happens because fluids are rushing in to protect the area, like a cushion. Once the cut is healed and the bacteria are destroyed, the paramedics pack up their gear, the fire alarm turns off, and the inflammation goes away. This is how your body is supposed to work. But now, I want you to imagine a very different scenario. Imagine that the fire alarm inside your body gets pulled. The firefighters rush in with their axes and hoses, but there is no cut on your finger. There is no clear injury. Yet, the alarm keeps ringing. It rings all day, all night, for weeks, months, and even years. The firefighters get confused and exhausted. They start swinging their axes at everything in sight, damaging your own healthy tissues, your own cells, your own organs. Because the alarm never turns off, your body is trapped in a constant state of emergency. This is called chronic inflammation. It is a slow, simmering, low-grade fire that spreads throughout your entire bloodstream. You cannot see the redness, and you cannot feel the heat on your skin, but it is happening deep inside you. So, what pulls this alarm and refuses to let it go? The modern world we live in is practically a recipe for chronic inflammation. According to Harvard Medical School, chronic inflammation is triggered by lifestyle factors that your body perceives as constant threats. When you eat a diet high in processed sugars, refined carbohydrates, and artificial chemicals, your body does not recognize these as real food. It treats them as toxic invaders, so it sounds the alarm. When you are constantly stressed at work, your stress hormones skyrocket, pulling the alarm. When you do not get enough deep sleep, your body cannot repair itself, pulling the alarm. Day after day, your immune system is bombarded by these invisible threats, and the slow-burning fire begins to consume your most vulnerable areas.
Now let us talk about your joints. Why do your knees, hips, and fingers hurt so much when this fire is burning? Think of your joints like the hinges on a heavy door. For the door to swing open smoothly, the hinge needs to be well oiled and clean. In your body, the ends of your bones are covered with a smooth, slippery tissue called cartilage, which acts like a shock absorber. It allows your bones to glide past each other without friction. But when chronic inflammation enters the picture, it is like pouring battery acid onto that metal hinge. The confused immune cells, those exhausted firefighters we talked about, travel through your blood and arrive at your joints. They start releasing corrosive chemicals called cytokines. According to the Journal of Orthopedic Research, these inflammatory cytokines actively eat away at your cartilage. They break down the smooth shock absorbers.
As the cartilage wears away, the bones start to grind against each other. This is what causes that agonizing stiffness when you wake up. It is not just wear and tear from walking or running. It is a chemical attack from the inside out. Your immune system is literally rusting your hinges. The joint becomes swollen, fluid builds up, and the nerves send screaming pain signals to your brain. This is the root of osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. The fire is destroying the cushion, and if you only take a painkiller, you are just masking the pain while the fire continues to burn down the house. But the tragedy of chronic inflammation does not stop at your knees. The exact same fire that is melting your cartilage is doing something even more terrifying to your mind. For a long time, scientists believed that the brain was completely protected from the rest of the body's immune system by a magical shield called the blood-brain barrier. Imagine a massive, thick castle wall protecting the king inside. The blood-brain barrier is supposed to let good things like oxygen and nutrients inside the castle, while keeping bad things like toxins and inflammatory chemicals outside. But we now know that chronic inflammation is like a relentless army attacking the castle wall. Over time, the constant barrage of inflammation weakens the barrier. The wall develops cracks. When this happens, the inflammatory chemicals from your gut and your bloodstream cross over the broken wall and enter your brain. Once inside, they cause absolute chaos. Your brain has its own special immune cells called microglia. You can think of microglia as the janitors of the brain. Their normal job is to quietly sweep up dead cells and keep the brain pathways clean so your neurons can communicate at lightning speed. But when chronic inflammation breaches the castle wall, the microglia go crazy. They transform from peaceful janitors into aggressive attackers. According to the Journal of Neuroinflammation, overactivated microglia start releasing toxins that damage healthy brain cells and destroy the delicate connections between them. This is exactly why you experience brain fog. Your neurons, the wires that carry your thoughts and memories, are literally inflamed and struggling to send signals. It feels like you are trying to think through a bowl of thick mud. You lose your train of thought, you forget names, and you feel mentally exhausted because your brain is using all its energy just to survive the fire. But if this fire is left unchecked for years, the damage becomes permanent. The constant inflammation accelerates the death of brain cells, shrinking the brain. According to the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease, chronic neuroinflammation is now considered one of the primary driving forces behind severe cognitive decline, memory loss, and dementia. The fire is burning the library of your memories, page by page. It sounds terrifying, and it is. The connection between the stiffness in your knees and the fog in your head is undeniable. They are both casualties of the exact same systemic fire. But here is the most important part of this entire video, and I need you to listen closely. You have the power to put out the fire. You are not destined to lose your mobility or your mind. Because chronic inflammation is largely driven by how we live and what we eat, you can flip the switch and turn the fire alarm off. It starts with what you put at the end of your fork. Remember, processed sugars and refined foods act like gasoline on the fire. When you eat a donut, drink a sugary soda, or consume highly processed seed oils, you are throwing fuel straight into the flames. The firefighters go crazy, and your joints and brain take the hit. To put out the fire, you need to flood your body with water. In this case, water means powerful, anti-inflammatory whole foods. You need to consume healthy fats, like the omega-3 fatty acids found in wild-caught salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds. Omega-3s are biological fire extinguishers. They travel to your joints and your brain and literally command the immune system to calm down. You also need to harness the power of antioxidants. Think of antioxidants as the cleanup crew that repairs the damage done by the rogue firefighters. Foods that are bright and colorful, like wild blueberries, spinach, and broccoli, are packed with these healing compounds. And we cannot talk about fighting inflammation without mentioning the golden miracle, turmeric. Turmeric contains an active compound called curcumin, which has been shown in countless studies to block the exact inflammatory chemicals that destroy joint cartilage and brain tissue. Adding a little turmeric with black pepper to your daily routine can dramatically soothe your system. But food is only half the battle. You must also look at your lifestyle. Sleep is not a luxury. It is the ultimate biological reset button. When you enter deep sleep, a miraculous system in your brain called the glymphatic system opens up. It literally washes your brain with fluid, flushing out the toxic proteins and inflammatory waste that built up during the day. If you are only sleeping 5 hours a night, you are not taking the trash out. The toxins accumulate, the fire grows, and the brain fog thickens. You must prioritize 7 to 8 hours of high-quality sleep to give your brain the chance to heal.
And finally, you must manage your stress. Chronic psychological stress tells your body that you are constantly being chased by a tiger. Your body responds by keeping the inflammatory alarm ringing. Finding moments of stillness, whether through a simple 5-minute breathing exercise, a walk in nature, or reading a good book, lowers your stress hormones and signals to your immune system that you are safe. When the body feels safe, the fire dies down. You do not have to accept a life of pain and confusion. Your body wants to heal. Your joints want to glide smoothly. Your brain wants to be sharp, clear, and full of vibrant memories. The power to stop the silent fire is in your hands, starting with your very next meal and your very next night of sleep. Choose the fire extinguishers, not the gasoline. If you found this information eye-opening and you want to learn exactly which foods and habits can heal your body, subscribe so you don't miss the next video. I want to hear from you. What is one healthy change you are going to make today to put out the fire? Let me know in the comments below. Check out the video on the screen right now to discover the top 5 foods that naturally destroy inflammation. Thank you for watching, and remember, your health is your greatest wealth.